Hello friends, welcome to our channel Nutshell School. Today we are going to talk about that how to make money working as an online travel agent. It is one of the commonest question being asked that how to make money online. Well, there are countless platforms. You just need to be smart-minded so that you can land the desired job. For online travel agents, there are always room to get hired. But before you choose an option, make sure you have enough skills and competitive attitude to make yourself. Travel agents can be invited by private firms to their offices in case their online job performance have been excellent. So are you ready for the bright future? Here are some of the things you can take a start with to make money working as online travel agent. Number 1. Social media networks. Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn are amongst the finest social media websites where dozens of jobs are posted every day. It is up to you that how smartly you approach the client and initiate their projects. For travel agents, there are countless Facebook communities where they can join and get hired by some reliable clients or travel agencies. Just stay stuck and stay updated with the happenings around the internet. Number 2. Online marketplace. Upwork, Elance, and Fiverr are some of the most exceptional online marketplaces where you can showcase your portfolio. Make sure that you let others know about all your hidden skills so that more and more clients show interest in your services. Those who have professional profiles on these platforms even receive personal job invitation from big companies. So, this is again up to you that how you make other crazy for your services or products. Number 3. Berta Eisen. Berta Eisen is a personality you can learn a lot from. This individual has specialized in Europe and Latin American tourist spots, working at Frost Travelers. She has nearly limited herself to a few online clients for those who have just started thinking of becoming online travel agents. Berta is an excellent inspiration. She knows well how valuable the customers are. This is the reason they happily accept her suggestions and advices when it comes to visit a destination. Number 4. Proper work planning. Proper working plan is very important no matter you have a physical location of your operation or are just an internet-based travel agent. In any of the cases, you are to show off your hidden potentials and skills. Plan the trip for customers in matchless ways. For example, if you are to plan a trip for a big family traveling from France to America, then you are to provide the head of that family with complete detail of where they should stay, where they can eat best food, or which destination they should visit. Number 5. Gain knowledge. For online travel agents, making money is a cup of tea. You can become successful in these fields when you gain knowledge. It should be about the locations, cities, countries, towns, villages, and colonies you are going to target to send your tourists to. Most amazing tourist destinations in the world in this regard are in Europe, America, Canada, Australia, and Thailand. Number 6. Develop personal website. You can develop a website where you can offer your services as an online travel agent. Over the website, there should be a forum where visitors can discuss things related to tourism. Invite more and more travel agents to become your partners. Once the network is expanded, more visitors will choose your services whenever they have to travel abroad. The proper maintenance of the site is very important. Number 7. Make brochures of your online travel agency. Some travel agents working online make and distribute brochures of their services. They also make wise use of tour operator websites to target the customers. Collect as much useful information as possible. Internet is flooded with so many sites from where you can have clearer idea of how to earn a big amount while working online as a travel agent. With these tips, you can certainly become one of the top online travel agents. Keep in mind that you need not to adapt the way which are short and lead you to the destination in no time, because most of them are not reliable and long lasting. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.